Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and product recommendations. Today, we're here to talk about the Xiaomi Mijia 1C1T Mi Robot Vacuum Mop Dreame F9 Hepa Filter Main Side Brush Mop Cloth Robotic Vacuum Cleaner Accessories. Now, I know that's a mouthful, but trust me, this is a game changer for anyone looking to keep their home clean and tidy with minimal effort. First off, let's talk about compatibility. This set of accessories is specifically designed for a range of Xiaomi and Dreame robotic vacuum models, so you can rest assured that it's a perfect fit for your device. And trust me, when it comes to keeping your vacuum running at its best, having the right accessories makes all the difference. Now, let's dive into the features. These accessories are top-notch, made of high-quality, environmentally friendly materials that ensure durability and long-lasting performance. The clean brushes and filters not only maintain the efficiency of your robot vacuum but also reduce the ingress of dust, pollen, and allergens into the air you breathe. And with regular maintenance and replacement every 2 to 3 months, you can keep your home atmosphere clean and healthy for yourself and your loved ones. But that's not all. These accessories are designed to easily remove dirt, dust, and pet hair from corners and edges, ensuring a thorough and effective cleaning every time. And with easy installation, they'll have your robotic vacuum running like new again in no time. So, if you're tired of constantly maintaining your robotic vacuum or dealing with subpar performance, it's time to invest in the Xiaomi Mijia 1C1T Mi Robot Vacuum Mop Dreame F9 Hepa Filter Main Side Brush Mop Cloth Robotic Vacuum Cleaner Accessories. Trust me, your future self will thank you. And the best part? You can find the link to purchase these accessories in the description below. So go ahead, take the leap, and upgrade your cleaning game today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.